morning, everybody. Merry Christmas. This is the new dance, Rocket to the Sun, chair dance. It's blessed by Maddison Glover, and here's the walkthrough. So the first 8 counts is you're going to be walking your feet forward and reaching forward. On 4, you're going to clap, and then you bring it back. So you're reaching forward. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the first 8. Second 8 is your step touching, and you're reaching your arms to the right and left. So step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Third 8 is the V. So it's out, out, in, out, in. The last 8 is step touches, and I call it a swoop. So it's step, touch, and then reach it around and swoop all the way around. And then the dance starts over, reaching forward. So with the count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you start the dance again. I'm going to turn this off now, and we will do it to the music so you can see it with the music. And then the nursing home has a couple demos for you as well. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.